All right, so sorry I had to do this in 2 videos. I had to pause the other one. But anyway, so when you get on the Monday 2, when you get a triangle, looks like this. It has a square here. It says this is 3, this is 2, this is 4. Sometimes they don't even give you this number, which is fine because you don't need it. The number that's on that diagonal line, you don't even need it. Okay? Find this square, the 2 lines that make that square, that connect to make that 90-degree angle. Use those numbers. So this is on Monday 2. So then I have 3 times 2 is 6. But that's not my area. Because what's that's telling me is, remember when we had that square? I should probably use a different color. Remember when we had that square that I was just showing you in the last video? When we have that square, 3 times 2 is 6. That's the area for the whole square. We only need this half. We don't need the whole thing. So we need to cut 6 in half to give us 3. The area of just this is 3. Okay? Base, that's what we call this 2. Sorry. So we call this 2. Height, that's what we call this 3. Divided by 2 equals the area of a triangle. Base times height divided by 2 equals the area of a triangle. Now, on Wednesdays, Wednesday 2, you get a triangle that is a little bit different. Okay, you get a triangle that looks like this, and the 90-degree angle is in the middle of it. Okay? Now, you can think of this a couple of ways. You can think of this as there's another triangle right here that is this one, 1 and 1. These 2 ones are equal. And then there's another triangle here that makes 2 and 2, those 2 equal. Okay? You can think of it that way. Or you can think of it like the parallelograms that we were doing that look like this. Oh, sorry. So I guess if you tilt it this way, the one I just made, it looks like a rectangle if you tilt it. So anyway, it's still the rectangle idea. So you still do the same process. Base times height divided by 2 equals the area. Now, you're going to see that the triangle split this into 2 pieces. So like that one's 3 and this one's 4. This is our base. If it gives you these diagonal numbers, say it's 1 and 6, you don't need them. Okay? Wherever this square is, those are the lines you use. So we need this line and we need that dotted line. And all of them say what the dotted line is equal to. So you have 5, 4, and 3. Now, it's base times height. It's not base times height. So what is the full base? What is the distance from here all the way to here? It's 7. 3 plus 4. That's the base. Now times the height from here all the way down to here where that square is. We're always looking for that little square that means 90-degree angle. That's 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Divided by 2 is equal to, so let's see, 30 divided by 2 is 15. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 or 2.5. So it must be 17.5. Or if you want to write it as 17.5, you can, because they are the same number. Okay? Hope this helps. Sorry for the long video, but watch it all the way to the end, guys.